eSIM error code 3.8 is one of the most common activation failures users encounter. This error typically indicates either a profile download failed or an invalid activation code during the eSIM setup process. This error has become increasingly common with the growing adoption of eSIM technology, affecting approximately 8 to 12% of all activation attempts. With millions of eSIM activations happening daily, this represents a significant number of frustrated users. Understanding the root causes helps us address error code 3.8 more effectively. Network connectivity issues account for 45% of cases, making them the leading cause. Invalid or expired activation codes represent 25% of failures. Carrier server overload causes 15% of errors, often during peak usage times. Device compatibility issues account for 10%, while regional restrictions cause the remaining 5% of error code 3.8 occurrences. Error code 3.8 involves three key technical components in the eSIM ecosystem. The EUICC is the physical chip that stores eSIM profiles. The SMDP Plus server generates and delivers these profiles. The LPA is the device software that manages profile downloads. Several specific scenarios commonly trigger error code 3.8. QR code corruption can prevent proper activation code reading. IMEI mismatches occur when the device identifier doesn't match carrier records. Profile conflicts happen when existing eSIM profiles interfere with new activations. Understanding these technical aspects and common failure points is crucial for effectively diagnosing and resolving eSIM error code 3.8. This knowledge forms the foundation for successful troubleshooting approaches. When facing eSIM error code 3.8, there are systematic steps you can take to resolve the issue. We'll start with basic troubleshooting and progress to advanced solutions. Start with these three fundamental steps. First, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Network instability is responsible for 45% of error code 3.8 cases. Second, verify that your QR code is not damaged or expired. Invalid or expired activation codes account for 25% of all error code 3.8 occurrences. Third, restart your device to clear any temporary system conflicts that might be interfering with the eSIM activation process. If basic steps don't work, try advanced solutions. Manual APN configuration involves entering carrier-specific access point names in your device settings. Remove any conflicting eSIM profiles from your device. Multiple profiles can interfere with new activations and cause authentication failures. As a last resort, you can reset your network settings. This will remove all saved Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, so use this option carefully. Prevention is better than troubleshooting. Avoid activating eSIMs during peak network hours when carrier servers are overloaded. Always use stable network connections. Keep your device software updated and always double-check your activation code for accuracy before attempting activation. According to 2024 and 2025 data, error code 3.8 has an average resolution time of 24 to 48 hours. The good news is that 89% of error code 3.8 cases are successfully resolved on the second activation attempt. Remember, if all troubleshooting steps fail, contact your carrier directly. They can provide a fresh activation code and verify that your device is properly registered in their system.